Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Norafika Ina binti Zaiham from BMMV 2/1. Today I'm going to explain about introduction and background idea of our assignment task entitled Tensile test. Let's go for more details on background of idea. Basically, we know that metals are a material made up of metallic elements that are mechanically bonded like common alloys. They are very good conductors of heat and electricity, while ceramic and polymers are lacking. We found that both polymers and metals are ductile and not so brittle, although metals also exhibit a level of malleability. Ceramics are usually brittle and they tend to fracture under a load, which means that they are lack in ductility. Polymers are the softest material due to their complex structure, while ceramics are the hardest but not the toughest because they fracture before plastic deformation occurs. Plastically, the polymers deform very easily and have the smallest Young's modulus. Ceramics have the highest value due to their brittleness and they never reach the point of plastic deformation because they would fracture first. The value of Young's modulus for metals falls between those polymers and ceramics. These three materials have different structure and different level of defect. Through all the information we have decided that the tensile test is the best way to determine the mechanical properties of the materials. This is because the tensile test provides better information about the material being tested and therefore help to maintain the quality of the material. Tensile tests help to develop new materials and to provide information on the mechanical properties of the materials. They also help to determine the effectiveness and behavior of the material when a stretching force is acting on it. Next, we'll go to the introduction of the tensile test. Tensile test is one of the most widely used mechanical tests done on materials. It is also known as tension testing. Tensile test is used to determine how materials will behave under tension load. Tensile test is a fundamental material science and engineering test in which a sample is subjected to a controlled tension until failure and provides valuable information about materials and their associated properties. By stretching out a piece of material, we can determine how it will react to the tension force applied. Tensile test is important because its properties are clearly shown on the data given from the test. To ensure the quality, tensile properties are frequently included in material. These properties are important because they can be used for design and analyze engineering structures for develop new materials that are better suited for a particular use. The properties are directly measured by means of a tensile test are ultimate tensile strength, breaking strength, maximum elongation and reduction in area. Last but not least, the strength of materials is often the primary concern. The strength of interest can be measured in terms of either the stress is necessary to cause significant plastic deformation or the maximum stress that the materials can withstand. These measures of strength are used with appropriate caution in engineering equipment. The ductility of the material is also of interest, which is a measure of how much it can deform before it fractures. Ductility is seldom directly implemented in design. To ensure the quality and toughness, it is rather included in the material specifications. In a tensile test, low ductility is often accompanied by low fractures resistance under other forms of loading. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you for listening. Bye.